Guys, Thomas Baca Barber back with a review. Review of these JRL Lamborghini Clippers. Look at them. Look at them real close. Look at those. Look at them. Wow. Look at the design of that. You can just hold them right here. It's a trip. This is a material that's padded and you can hold it. Listen to this. The runtime is right down here. Turn them off. Turn them on. Turn it down one. So it indicates it'll do 3 hours if it's down on a lower setting. I don't need that lower setting. Maybe if you're doing eyebrow trim. Look at that. Look at this. And listen to this. Same thing, a little bit of a... These are a little bigger than your average ones. Watch, look, I'll compare them for you. I'll show you something real sick. Watch. So look, I have the older JRLs and the new ones. So watch, look, I'll show you the straight up difference. Watch, look, this is the difference. Look at these. These ones are a little bit bigger, but a little bit thinner. These ones just really feel great in the hand. These ones feel good. They feel a little bit top heavy. These ones just feel really, the weight distribution is like a YS Park cone. It's elite. Listen to the difference in the power. That alone, that sound ought to get you to buy them. So you should buy based off of that sound alone. How did these work? They're on the same exact blade. So they work phenomenal. They're the best. JRL's the best brand of clippers that you could buy. And these are the best set of JRLs that you could buy. So look, for the review guys, go buy them. I'm telling you right now, they're the best. And so, what is the review on them? They're strong. They cut just perfect. They're not overly strong, so it's like they're not overly strong to where they're too powerful, to where they're missing spots in the hair, so to speak. They're absolutely perfect. They're just really well distributed in weight. They look really high end. The motor sounds very high end. It performs very high end, and I'll tell you something. The clip right over here where you extend it in and out, it runs better than the other one. This one has a better feel to it. So this is upgraded right here. This is absolutely perfect. The blade they kept the same, which is great. The construction of this part of the clipper is different now. It's a tiny bit slimmed down and a little bit wider, but with positions where you could really get down into holding it. You know, you could do different techniques really easily with this clipper. And so like back in the day when you used to flick, you could probably do it with these. I don't flick, but they're great, man. These are absolutely amazing. These trimmers are absolutely amazing. These are very, very good for debulking without a shred of a doubt because of the power of the motor. These ones outline, I would say just as good as the other ones outline, maybe a little bit better because of the design of them. The other ones outline very good as well. These outline more like a Stylecraft Pro. And so, but their motor is just light years above that. So I'm saying this for the side of the head, this for coming up, and this will even get a great outline, but you can have another outliner. The clippers are fire, guys. Go ahead and get them, and that's the review. Appreciate you guys. If you like it, like and subscribe. Here's my station, so you guys can see the stuff that I have real super quick. I know you guys had asked. I have all of that stuff. This is what I use mainly. I use these. Before those came out, I was using these. These are the two scissors by Mizutani that I use most frequently. The Acro Z2s. Yeah, they need to be cleaned. I'm on a break. And those are another pair of blending shears by Mizutani. And so if you come over here, look, I'll also show you this. So I have all of these, guys. So I have every scissor that you could think of. And look, guys, watch, look, boom. Sir Men's Salon. And then boom, watch, look, here's the logo. All right, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching the quick review. Thank you.